What's up, y'all? All right, let's go ahead and dive in. I'm just showing you guys the packaging that this bomb unit came in. And this is the Outre EveryWear in the style Every 2. Just showing you guys the construction of the wig. It is ear by ear HD lace. And 3 cones, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. And the adjustable straps. When I saw this unit, I was like, I've got to get that color. I've got to get that color. And I'm just showing you guys the hairline. It did come pre-plucked, like slightly, but really you can't do too much with the hairline. And then that deep side part. Here are the very natural baby hairs, but you guys know I don't really like baby hairs. So I'm just taking my Nairobi foam wrap lotion and I'm just going to add just a little bit of it just to go ahead and comb those right on back. So I'm taking my even tinted lace in medium brown and I'm just going to spray that parting because sometimes with the synthetic HD lace fronts, it still gives that white cast on the actual lace. So we're going to get rid of that right now. And now let's pop this bad boy on. And this unit is big head friendly. As you guys can see, I have a ponytail with my thick hair, sis. So, and it fits pretty comfortable. I love that parting space. Look at the dimension of that blonde, sis. Yes, blonde ambition. I'm just showing you how the hairline looks. Pretty natural to me. And now I'm just cutting the lace. This lace isn't really a soft lace, but it isn't really like a tough lace either. Pretty medium to me. Pretty much medium to me. And I'm trying to get as close to the hairline as possible to make it look more natural. I'm just going in and cutting both sides, doing the same exact steps. I ordered this unit from ElevateStyles. It took about 3 days for me to receive, and this unit literally is baddie on a budget, sis. It is $20. Like, you can't beat that. You literally cannot beat that, sis. Now I'm just going to cut the other side. All right, so now I'm taking my trusty Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Sis, this is my first time trying this on a synthetic unit. And when I tell you that hold was just as bomb as it is with a human hair wig, Girl, just hold tight. You get ready to see the results. I promise this. Going in with my blow dryer on cool setting. And now I'm just going to lay that on top. I'm pressing it in. Girl, it ain't going nowhere. Look at it. Okay, bold hole. Liquid gold. Yes. All right, so I'm going to brush it out. As you guys can see, it has that natural bump that comes with the unit. I want more of a, this looks pretty right here, but I want more of a sleeker, like a little more bone straight to the front of my bob. This unit is so pretty. Ooh, Outre, they did that. I promise you they did that. So I'm taking my EAP heat. It goes up to 450, but I'm going to take this on 360 because the unit can take up to 400 degrees of heat, but 360 just to play it safe. And when I tell you this unit pressed out so easily, you guys see it right here. Literally one pass. Yeah, I like this. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And I really want to just concentrate that sleekness up at the front of the unit. Now, my only drawback is that it does shed, but it's minimum. It's not unbearable. So yeah, stay tuned for the tea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the new Outre EveryWear units, and this is their lace front unit. This is a new collection that they just came out with. I have the style Every 2, and the color is DRFF4/champagne. Yeah, this color is so pretty, you guys. Like, as you guys saw in the video, it's a bomb unit. And this unit literally is baddie on a budget, because why? It was under $20 once I pretty much ordered and everything. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys the details on this unit. It is ear to ear HD lace, and it had the natural baby hairs, as you guys saw in the video. I just used my Nairobi foam wrap lotion and I just push those baby hairs out. It is ear to ear, like I said, the HD lace, and also like the parting. So it's not a full lace front like that goes back. The only lace other than ear to ear is pretty much in this part, which is pretty deep part, so you can only really wear it in this style. And it is heat resistant, as you guys also saw in the video. It did have that natural bump on the ends. I really wanted more of a sleek look, so I just took my flat iron on 360 degrees because it goes up to 400. So I took it on 360 degrees to play it on the safe side, and I just pressed out pretty much right here in the front, and I prefer it looking like this. So this one's a little longer than the Every One. I really want to try out that one since it's a middle part, and I absolutely love middle parts. But this one, what is so bomb about this is the color. Like this, the dark roots, and then like, look at this color. So pretty. Oh, and another thing, sis. So I used to hold this down my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. If you guys have not seen my review on that, I will leave a card somewhere up here. Sis, you can use Bold Hold Liquid Gold for your synthetic units too. don't sleep on them. This is my first time trying it out, and I was like, you know, let me just see if it works. Literally, sis, my unit is not going anywhere, like anywhere. But yeah, so yeah, I give this unit a good 10 out of 10. I really like it. It's so flowy. Let me show you guys the back so you guys can see how it looks. If I have missed anything, I will make sure I leave it down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you all. And before you guys go, because you already know why, because I say this in every video, make sure you guys thumbs this video up, show your girls some love, and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, as always, bye guys.